Okay, the drink that we're about to make is called Clara. And all we need here are a couple ingredients, beer and your favorite lemon lime soda. So first thing we're going to do is put our beer in a glass. Give it a little tilt so it doesn't foam all the way up. Any beer will do. This drink actually prefers a draft beer, but just use whatever you have, okay? Now we're going to add some 7-Up. And that should do it there. Go and fill it up. And we're going to mix that up. Get the Sprite and the beer mixed together and make some pretty bubbles while we're at it. There we go. So if you're looking for a way to enjoy a nice beer and you just want to change it up a little bit, all you have to do is add some lemon lime soda, any one that you want. And if you'd like, you can go ahead and add a couple of ice cubes just to keep it cold, and that's totally up to you as well. There we go. Bottoms up.